Hi, it's Emily. Today we're going to talk about what to do when your lips tremble or shake. The first thing is that personally when I experience it, it's usually when I'm tired. It's a bit like when your eyelid starts shaking. So maybe if you are tired and you don't totally need to practice, maybe I would advise to go take a glass of water, maybe a nap or a little walk and come back. Maybe you practiced a bit too long. But sometimes also it can be other things. It can be that the lips are too tight. It usually happens more in the high notes than the low notes. And sometimes I feel that if you don't support enough, then the body tries to put resistance elsewhere. Because when you play the flute, you don't have resistance with an embouchure. So you have to make resistance in the belly area. And if you don't put enough resistance there in your support of the air, usually we try to make resistance in the throat or in the lips. And if your lips are too tight because there's not enough support, that can happen. So I would say relax the lips and put more air pressure and just support with more energy. So if your lips shake or tremble, I would advise you to put more resistance in the air support and relax the upper lip. It's really a question of awareness. You have to be aware of where the tension is and where it's more relaxed. So if your upper lip is shaking or trembling, you need to be aware of what's happening in your body. So check if you're supporting enough and if the resistance is in the belly and not in the upper lip. So keep the upper lip relaxed, but not too soft either, because then it can also start shaking. It has to have just be there in place without tightness, but not too soft either. Take a little bit of time for a break. Go and take a glass of water, maybe a 5-minute nap or something, and come back later, because maybe you're just very tired. Man, maybe it's not even a big problem for you. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Make sure to check our store and also to listen to our Flute Talk podcast, which is available anywhere where you find podcasts. And also, if you want to help us out, please check our Patreon. Thanks for watching.